Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this and asked if they could remove the people and remove the name. I'm guessing this is the store name. So I've already done it. Came out pretty good. It is a fuzzy bitmap, so to me it's not going to print very well. So for the one I'm doing it for, here, well, let me get the whole thing. If you look at this, look how big the bounding box is. So when we trace this, Corel's taking all that into factor, I think. So with it selected, go to your crop tool and crop out everything. Then we're going to make it smaller. So to me, it's easier for Corel to do. So we're just going to take the handle and just bring it down. And then I'm going to, it's less than 5 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 6. I'm going to make a duplicate of that, move it over there. Now I'm going to trace the bitmap, outline, trace, clip art. Takes just a second. Well, it did a while ago. Let me try that again. There we go. Anyway, got it now. So I'm going to move that over. And now this is going to be really messed up. It's pixelized. But if we go up to object and group and ungroup it, and now the boundary tool comes up and we're going to make a boundary. Whoa, I've got something hidden right there. Let me back up here. Let me, let's go to object and ungroup all. So I don't know what's there. Let's see if it does it this time. I don't know what could be there. Let's go view and wireframe. And something's there that wasn't there before. So I'm just going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. I'm not really worried about these lines because they're part of the deal. And I don't think you're going to want the shadow, so I'm going to take the shadow away. So now we'll go back to view and enhanced, and we'll put a boundary. There's our boundary. Now we want to remove the people. So I'm thinking it's just a straight line across. So I'm going to take the 2-point line and I'm going to go from that node to that node. We can adjust it later. I'm going to take the smart fill tool and fill that in. So now I've got the shape of the car. I'm going to nudge it back over the original. And I'm going to select everything and I'm going to go intersect. And look at that. The people are gone. Now we can tweak it a little bit because maybe the line wasn't down. You can still see their shirt. It is a node or a vector file now, so we can actually move some nodes around. Now we need to get rid of the quilt or the name quilt among friends. I'm thinking that's what he wants. So we're going to take this same shape and we're going to left click, right click, because now we're going to take a rectangle and kind of get that, and then go up to object and convert it to a curve. That'll give us some node handles because we want to get all that fabric in. So I'm going to move this down, but then I'm going to add a node right there and move it up. Maybe move this up a little bit, move this over, and I think we're good. So now I'm going to take that and move it over to our car and use the smart fill tool on that. Now I'm going to move this all over. Everything that's not being in the orange is going to disappear when we intersect it. Look at that. Now we're going to have to take this shape, because that's really not a shape there anymore. And we're going to use the color eyedropper tool. Let me zoom in. Color eyedropper tool and take a sample of that blue and put it in there. And then right click, no outline. Now it's a little bit, my blue is going to be clear. You know, it's going to be more like a vector, but I don't know what he's printing it on. And you know, if you still wanted the shadow, you just disregard that. But then you could put, you know, any text in that box that you want. Whoa. And just bring this down and type whatever text you want. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.